Hey Tribe, welcome back to my channel. And today you can already see the background is a little bit different, and again I'm at the in-law house, but that not stopping me from producing the video to share it with you. Today I want to show you my new sweater. I use my own formula, Crochet Designer Formula, that I give it to you for free. You can download here later on, or I put the link also. For sure I put the link under this video. I want to show you that how easy it is to create a sweater. And if you say, no, I don't have a skill, I don't know how to do it, you have to change your mindset right now, because this is super easy. It's just two rectangle, and I have this written down for you and show you exactly how to measure your body. And if you missed the first video, I think it's not the first, the third video of our series, Crochet Designer Bootcamp. You can watch everything in the playlist over here as well. But the latest video, I show you exactly how I measure my body. So after this video, you can go back and watch that video and then start your project. But now I want to show you how I put it together and why I said to you so many times it's so easy. Let me take you back to the beginning when I made a mistake. I think it's very important to show you my mistake as well, because this could happen to you. As you can see, this first panel, I thought is not gonna shrink, because who gonna think it's gonna shrink? It's, you know, it's 100% wool, but it turned out this stitch shrink like 2 inches. I end up have the first panel of 15.5 inches instead of 17.5 inches, which is my calculation, my measurement. And if you have the formula, you will know what that means. 17.5 inches, that is my measurement. All right, so I end up make another panel and this time I use the magic trick, which is the guess wash. The guess wash saved my life. Now I know that I need to add another 3 column like so to match with my number, which is 17.5 inches. So this one was perfectly yeah, I find a solution. Just want to let you know that if you use single crochet combined with front postable crochet, this could happen to you as well. So don't freak out. Just redo it, like just undo it and redo it again, because this is the beauty of the process. You can see here now I have 17.5. I'm super happy. So I just continue with this to the length of my design, and I just repeat everything the same in the second panel to have 2 identical panels. First off, I just gonna put my hair up like this so that you can see the shape of this sweater. As you can see here, is give a little like a little sleeve over here, and this is come naturally. I didn't add anything more. Like I said, it's just 2 rectangles connected together in the shoulder part and in the body line. And this one I decided to make a crop sweater. First reason, because I ran out of yarn, and the second reason is that I'm going tomorrow to Spain, La Palma, and it's warm there, and I think it's gonna be super cute even without this long sleeve. I will show you without the long sleeve, just by its own how it look like. So here I want to show you in the back also. As you can already see, it's the same thing. It's identical. It's an identical of 2 rectangles. I do everything the same, the front panel and the back panel, and I just seam it together. Like here, I seam from down here to up, and the armhole, I just keep it for 8 inches, and for the neck, I have around 5 inches, but this is totally up to you. You can try, some people like to have more wider in the neck area, like in the neck area, yeah, and that means you're gonna have to sew from here. See here, I sew up from out here to inner here, meaning that you sew less of this part to here, but it's totally up to you. You can have like me, or you can have it open. And this one is the same, the armhole is 8 inches. So as you already see, it's super easy and it's customizable. Like if you want to have your sweater to be longer, you can just measure out from here down to here or wherever you want it to be. And I don't want to talk about measurement again because I already have a whole video talk about that, so you just go back and see that video. Now I'm going to show you how it looks like without the shirt under. And this is how it look on me without any long sleeve under. It just put it on and it looks super cute and it feels so nice on the skin. I like it this way, the crop sweater. I'm a fan of a crop top, crop sweater and everything, you know, in this level, because I love to have my body free, but in Germany, you know, it's a little bit cold, you have to wear something under. It's just perfect because I can wear this over my long sleeve and still look super cute. I want to show you one more time how beautiful this stitch. And of course I will have a written pattern coming out next week. I will start to write a pattern when I'm in Spain, and I will call out for the pattern tester. If you want to be part of our testing team, make sure you join us on Crochet Tribe Maya Luna Corazon group on Facebook, and I will choose some of you who have time to work on this piece with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are into crochet business, how to turn your crochet passion into profitable business, I want to invite you to also join us on Facebook page, where I have a weekly live training there on my Maya Luna Corazon, facebook.com/Maya Luna Corazon, as well as on Instagram, because I also have live every Monday there as well. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this short video, and let me know in the comment below if you already start your first sweater using my crochet designer formula, and what is your experience. If you have a problem, what you facing, what is struggle, and how it look like. I'm really curious to see your work. You can also post on Instagram and tag hashtag Maya Luna Corazon, Luna Tribe, Crochet Designer Formula. This way I can find you and I can feature your post on my story. Alright, my beautiful tribe, stay tuned for the upcoming video. I will teach you how to decreasing and increasing, because this skill can help you so much to shape your work to fit on your body. So stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, the little box under this video. Click that little bell as well so you won't miss any video that coming up your way. And if you like this type of video helping you to become a crochet designer, helping you to make money of what you love to do, and if you are into how to turn your social media into your business page that you will attract clients who want to work with you, send you a yarn to create your original design, as well as clients who want to work with you and actually pay you money to create the content that relate to what you love to do, then let me know in the comment below, and make sure to click that like button so I know that you love this kind of content, and I will produce more to share it with you, because I believe if I can do it, you can do it too. Alright, happy crocheting, and I see you in all social platforms. Be beautiful as you are. Bye bye. I love it so much. This is so amazing. I love the stitch. It's really shaped into my body and everything. And it's just so simple, man. It's just two rectangles put together and allow the stitch and the piece to form into my body.